When we do the initial load, all we load are orders that are awaiting shipment, on hold, or awaiting payment. If you want to see your historical records, you click on the Ignore Power button and click on View Previously Ignored. We're going to sort it by the order date, and we're just going to go through and select a whole set of records. We'll go ahead and stop here, and then all we do is we click on the Ignore Power button again and click on Restore Ignore. Our orders get restored, we get refreshed, and we go back to our non-posted orders, and now we can see those orders are in there. Now there might be instances where you need to ignore an order. You don't want to deal with this canceled order over and over again, so you select that, click on the Ignore Power button, click Ignore Selected, you get your notification, and the order disappears.